Hi guys, you are on ATSR channel. In this video we are going to speak about Redmi. I'm going to tell you how to make battery icon bigger on Redmi. It's easy and simple. Like and subscribe to my channel. Let's go. Open settings and turn on developer mode. About phone. OS version. Good. Tap on additional settings, open developer options, find smallest and reduce the value that is written here. After this, the battery icon will increase in size, just like everything else. Just remember the past value to get everything back. Okay, you did it. It was easy and simple. Thanks for watching. If I made a mistake somewhere, please write in the comments. Like and subscribe to my channel. Also check out my playlist on this topic. There you will find answers to many questions. Wish you best. Bye bye.